how to save Canva file as PDF. So once you're in Canva, log into your Canva account and then head over to the recent designs section so that you're able to locate the file that you want to download as a PDF. Now click the share button found in the upper right corner of your screen and then click download. So by clicking this drop down arrow button, you will find more file types that you can download. But since we want to download this file as a PDF, then we will be selecting this PDF standard option and then click download. To locate your downloaded file, just click this icon and in here you will see all of your downloads. So just click the file and as you can see the extension is PDF. And so that is how you save Canva file as PDF. Thank you and have a great day.